cotton candy flavored yogurt.
They don't!
Who knew yogurt could go bad?
Everyone?
Oh. Will you excuse me for a moment?
Sweet!
Must finish article for online blog, even though I feel like... Moody, sci-fi, angry.
Wait!